Hi roses! So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my version of classic brown butter chocolate chip cookies. This is my favorite recipe and it's super amazing. So I just wanted to share it with you guys and I hope you all test it out and let me know what you think. So the first step to this recipe is to take 2 sticks of butter and heat them up in a pan until they hit a nutty brown color. This is the brown butter part of the recipe. Next, take 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar and you're going to pour that into a big mixing bowl, and once the butter is fully browned, you're going to pour that into the sugar. Once your butter reaches this really dark brown coloring, you're going to add it into the sugar. After you've poured in the butter, mix it until it is completely smooth. Next, take 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and add it into the mixture. Then you're going to take 2 medium or large size eggs and incorporate them into the mix until it becomes light and fluffy. This process usually takes around 10 minutes to 15 and it takes a lot of arm strength. As you can see, the color should slowly start to become lighter and lighter. Once the mixture reaches this color, it's time to fold in the dry ingredients. Next, you're going to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and add that all into a separate mixing bowl. Make sure to mix all dry ingredients together before adding them into the wet ingredients. Now it's time to fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. My best advice for this step is to just do it in parts because it creates a better overall consistency when you do that. Chocolate time. So this is really all up to you guys. You can decide whether you want to add 2 chocolate bars, 1 chocolate bar, and what types of chocolate you would like to add. We went with 1 dark chocolate bar and 1 toffee bar. So we're just going to chop those up into big chunks and add them into the mix. Once the chocolate is added, fold the chocolate in until it is fully incorporated into the cookie dough. Now it's time to refrigerate the cookie dough. So put the cookie dough into any type of Tupperware or container and it can go into the refrigerator for at least an hour, but it can be stored for up to a week to let the flavors really develop. But we just kept it in for an hour because we couldn't wait. We were so excited to eat those cookies, so it's really all up to you. It's been a little over an hour, so now it's time to roll out the cookie dough into big golf ball sizes. Time to bake. Turn on your oven and bake the cookies at 375 for 9 to 12 minutes depending on if you like it super gooey. Cook them for 9 minutes. If you like them super crispy, then I would say 12. But we always go for the super gooey because that is just so delicious. At the halfway point, make sure to flip the tray so the cookies get an even cook on all sides. Once the time is up, pull your cookies out of the oven and make sure to let them cool for at least 10 minutes before eating. I know they look super tempting to eat right now, but it is essential to let them cool because they will literally fall completely apart if you don't do that. So just refrain and get busy for 10 minutes and then come back and munch on your delicious cookies. Once the cookies have cooled, you can tell that they've kind of puffed down a little and they are ready to eat. So eat your heart out, guys. It's so amazing. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super short and sweet, but I just wanted to share my favorite classic brown butter chocolate chip cookie recipe with you guys. Here we're trying to do a little cookie pull. Do you see that goodness? Oh my God. So I hope you guys try out this recipe. Let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more dessert recipe cooking tutorials. let me know. I am down, and I love you guys. I will catch you in my next video.